Hello kids, welcome to Playful Learn Babyboss. So today we are going to learn how to make a boat with a paper. So here I took a paper. I want a square paper. So I'm just folding this paper like this and I'm going to cut this part so that it will become a square. So now I'm going to fold it like a handkerchief just. And now one side I'm going to fold like this and this side like this. And the beautiful boat is ready. It's very easy. So kids, I hope you like this video. You try to make this boat and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.